This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, so firstly, you will collect the data from all over the world, maybe from a book, maybe from internet, or maybe from anywhere. And then you will go forward to create a project, to create an article, or to create a research paper, right? So by Microsoft Word, you will mention all the details there. Like today we will see how we can create a Microsoft Word document. And yes, if you get any doubt or any trouble anywhere in between the class, you can interrupt me anytime, okay? You can interrupt me and ask if I am not audible or anything. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Clear to Mr. Boo. Everyone else, is it clear? Okay. Thank you so much for your responses. And yes, please keep responding so that I could know. Yes, you are here and listening to me. Okay. So yes, I am doing the screen share. Please let me know when my screen is visible to you. Please let me know when it is visible. Is it visible now? Okay. Thank you, Miss Deepti. Yes. So yes, this is what a Word document looks like. Like when you go in a Word document, this is how it would look like. But before that, first we will discuss what is a Word document and what is Microsoft Word and how we can create it. Okay, so yes, computer fundamentals, and today's topic is Microsoft Word. So yes, what is MS Word or Microsoft Word in definition? Microsoft Word, known also just as Word, is word processing software and a flagship product of Microsoft. It is an integral part of the Microsoft Office suite of products and is the most widely used word processor in the world. Now, as I told you, what is Microsoft Word? It is a word processing software where what you can do, you can write anything, you can write any article, you can create any kind of project by the writing form, right? As it is a word processing software, you will give them the words whatever you want to convey in that particular document. So by that you can write several words there. And here it is also mentioned that it is an integral part of the Microsoft Office suite. Can you tell me what are the other parts of Microsoft Office? Anyone? What are the other parts of Microsoft Office? Voice not audible. Uh, am I audible to everyone else? Excel, PowerPoint. Excellent, Miss Dipti. Very correct. Okay. Yes. So Excel, PowerPoint, these are the other parts of Microsoft Office, right? Now, whenever you open a computer or a laptop or any computer or any desktop, there you can see the Microsoft Office. So there you will see a lot of things like OneDrive and Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, which is used professionally to create documents or to create any kind of documentation when you work for any of the organization, right? So Microsoft Word plays a very important role. Either it is in your student life where you have to create projects, or in professional life, right? Like if you are writing a letter, to print it and then you have to sign on it, right? So you will create that letter, you will write that letter on the Microsoft Word. You will frame it in such a way as it is needed, and then you will take printout of it. So everything that you have to type, you will type it on the Microsoft Word, so that you can take it a printout and then you can move forward with the further process. So this is the particular function of Microsoft Word, where you can use numerous numbers of systems inside it. Like you can see various types of fonts you can use. Thus, you can change the various sizes of font. You can add pictures as well. So this could be the different parts of the Microsoft Word. So please let me know, is it clear to everyone what is Microsoft Word? Or if anyone having any doubts, you can ask me. Is it clear what is Microsoft Word? Okay, excellent. Clear to you all. Yes. So moving forward, the other tabs, like how many tabs are there in the Microsoft Word? Now you can see there it is written Home tab, Insert tab, Draw tab, Design tab, Layout tab, Reference tab, Mailings tab, Review tab, and View tab. Now how it looks like in a Word document? We can see here. Like these are the tabs written here, like home, insert. It is visible, right? Like you can see there here. It is home in the top left corner. You can see home. You can see insert. You can see draw. You can see design. You can see layout. You can see references, mailings, review, view, and help. So yes, as I told you, these are the various tabs. It is written here, and how you can see here, it is on the top left or on the top of the document whenever you open it. Now, every part has different uses. Like if we move to the home part, there you can see like something it is written here, Calibri body. What does it mean? Anyone? What does this portion mean? Like Calibri body and this one. Any ideas? What does this particular portion means? And why we use this particular portion? Toolbar exactly. Font size excellent. Excellent Miss Deepti. Excellent Miss Varshita. Very correct. The thing is that it is a toolbar where we can change the font size. Like we can use different type of font which is present here. You can use any of it according to your use. Right, after that you can change the size of the fonts like it is written here. You can change size of the font of any font. Right, now let's see. It's visible but not audible, sir. uh, am I audible to everyone else? Am I audible to everyone else? Okay, excellent. Yeah. So yes, moving forward to the slide, like we have seen home tab, insert tab, draw tab, design tab, layout tab, reference, mailings, review tab, and view tab. So these are the tabs that we can use for any particular purpose and whatever we need in our Word document. Now we will see the uses of various tabs. Like in home tab, you all have told me what is the use of home tab. Like yes, the home tab is organized into commands that fall under these groupings: clipboard, font, paragraph, and styles. Visually, there is a vertical line between these sections. There are additional options available in the drop-down menu under each of some of these areas. Now, as one of you has told me, like it is the font section, right? This particular portion is the font section. How would you use it? Now, again, let's go to a Word document. Now, let us consider here it is a document present to you. Can you see this document with the heading U? Is it visible? Uh, Screen is not visible. I believe the screen is visible, I guess. It's not visible to Miss Harshita. Um Miss Harshita, just try to rejoin again. I guess everyone is able to see the screen. So there might be some issues, but yes, visible to everyone, I guess. So yes, you can please try to rejoin, and I believe it will be visible to you then. So yes, you can see this a Word document naming you. So now we have seen the use of home. Like what is the this portion? It is the font portion. So like let us consider a paragraph. We can take one paragraph from here and then we will use it here. Now if I want to change the particular font of it, so let us consider I am using Algerian font. So yes, that's how I can change font by selecting it in this way, right? And if I have to increase or decrease the size of this particular font of the particular paragraph or the whole document, so I can just change it by the size by here. Like it is written here 14, right? You can see. You can just scroll down and number it as you want. So like you can change it like it was 14, it could be 14. So that's how you will use the font portion of it. Now, the other things in this particular paragraph or in this particular part is the body portion. Uh, it's not the body, like you can make it bold, like using B. The B is written here, it stands for bold, right? So, like we can select the other paragraph. The other paragraph we have selected, the second paragraph, and now you have to enhance each and every word written in the paragraph. So, you will click on the bold. By clicking on the B, it will make every letter on the bold font, and yes, it will be more highlighted. The next thing is the I that you can see is the italic. So how you can use the italic? You can just click on it and you can see the difference. Can you see the difference? What is the difference between a normal word and italic word? You can see in these two paragraphs, like in these two. Can you see the difference of what is the difference between bold italic and a normal font? Can you see the difference? Yes. Please let me know. Can you see the difference between these fonts? Like how the first paragraph is written and how the second paragraph is written. Yes, so that's how you can change the font size, the type of font that you want to use, and yes, you can use numerous types of things here. So now again moving to our presentation. So yes, that's how you will use that font type of thing. And now we will move forward and we'll see how we can use it in a very simple way, right? The next thing is either you can see the clipboard portion. What is clipboard? Like if you have copied anything from anywhere, you have to paste it, right? Like if you have copied a particular paragraph or a image or anything, so you can just paste it by this means. So yes, this is the clipboard portion and this is the font portion. By this, you can complete the whole presentation, you can use it. The other thing is the paragraph portion. What is the use of the paragraph portion? Like again, let's go to a Word document. I'm just making it normal. And yes, that's how this Word document is, right? And now what we have to do, we have to use the paragraph section of it. This is the paragraph section, I believe you can see. So now, if I select the whole document like this, I have selected the whole document and then I have to make changes in it. Like now you can see all the words are connected from the left corner to right corner. I can change it by this. It can come to the center by clicking on the various things. If I want to give bulletin points, I can use this particular thing. If I have to make it normal again, I can use this, right? So that's how we can use it. And yes, we can move forward and we can see how we can make it better and how we can use it in a better way, right? So these are the numerous things, like it is about the paragraph section, like how you can change the size of paragraph, the type of paragraph, the spacing between the lines and the other things. And then the next thing is the styles. What are the styles here? styles you can use, like again we go here and we select a particular paragraph, maybe the first paragraph, and you can see the styles, like various styles. You can mention, you can change the font, you can change the font color, it can change anything. I believe you can see the changes as I am making it. Is it visible? Is it visible to everyone? The changes in the first paragraph. Can you see it? Yes, excellent. So yes, that's how you can use the particular home portion. In the first part, if you have copied something, you can just paste here in the document. We will see how we can paste it in the further part of this class, right? So we will check how to copy, we will check how to paste, and we will check what are the shortcuts to do the copy and pasting in the particular part, right? So this is the first part of the particular tab, that is home tab. The next thing is the insert tab. Right. So what is insert tab? What is the meaning of insert? Anyone? What is the meaning of the particular word insert? You can just turn on your mic and tell me. What is the meaning of insert? Anyone? Adding, yes. Miss Sangeeta, it's not visible. Okay. Audible. Yes, exactly. Adding pictures or to add. Exactly. Excellent, everyone. Very correct answer of it. Like, what is insert? To add something on a particular document, on a particular page, or anything, right? So, in insert tab, there are the numerous number of things that you can add in your particular document, right? Like, it can be seen here in this. You can add pages. How to add page? Like a document you open in a Microsoft Word, it would be of one page. If you want to add more pages, you can just click on the insert portion and you can add number of pages like here. Now if you want to add page, you can add one more add. You can add more pages, like the number of times you click on the blank page, the more and more blank pages would be added in your particular document, right? Now the next thing is table. Now if you want to create a table in your particular document, so how would you use it? Just click on the table. It will ask you how, which table and what kind of table you want here, right? So just click here and just you can see in the bottom part. If you want, I have selected this much name. So here you can see I have created a particular table just by clicking on the insert section. So you can add tables by just clicking on the table portion. Then the next thing is, if you want to add images, if you want to add images in your particular document, so by clicking on the pictures, you can add images. Now either you can use the images that is present in your device. If it is present in your device, if you have saved images in your particular desktop or anywhere, you can just add from here. If you want to add shapes, like here, if you want to add, let's consider a rectangle, so you can just go there and make a rectangle according to your use, and then you can use it as ever you want. Like if you want to change the color, you can change it in white color. If you want to make outline color different, you can use any color of the outline. And if you want to add something in it, you can just write it and you can just make it. So that's how you can use insert section for inserting the shapes. Is it clear how to make tables and how to add pictures and how to make shapes? Is it clear to everyone? If you get any doubt, you can ask me. Or if it is clear, please write it down that it is clear. Okay, clear to Miss Asifa? Everyone else, is it clear to everyone? Like how to add tables, how to add pictures, and how to add shapes. If you find any difficulty, so you can just ask it, right? Or if it is clear, please write it down in the chat box that it is clear. Okay, it's clear to Miss Shalini, clear to Miss Harshita as well. Excellent. Yes, so that's how you will add or insert things, insert tables, pictures, icons. And if you want to like insert 3D models, so like you can take from here, like here, you can see you will get the access to the internet maybe or anything. Okay, so let's add some space thing. We can add, okay. So yes, that's how you can insert a 3D model. Now you can just take it from here and wherever you want. Just click on it. If you want to increase the size, that would be very simple for you, that how you can take it. Now, like it is an earth and in the various parts of earth like crust, mantle and core. So like if your project is about earth and the parts of earth and various parts of earth like the layers of earth, so here you can use it as your reference. You can get 3D model, like this image looks like a 3D image. Like you can rotate it like this. You can see it, the rotation of the earth. So whenever you are submitting a document or which can include a 3D model, so just make sure to add it. What does it make? It makes your project more interesting and more beautiful, and it will provide you more marks if it is about marks. And if it is not about marks, then also you can use it. It will help you in future, right? So that's how you can insert the 3D models as well. And now there's several other portions as well. If you want to add smart art, so you can add any kind of these art which is present here, like block diagrams or anything. You can insert that. You can want to insert a chart, maybe a pie chart, or maybe like you can insert a lines, this type of chart, or like a pie chart. You can insert this as well. So that's how you can create or insert this number of things. And then if you want to insert a screenshot and then maybe an or a videos or maybe a link or bookmarks, or maybe if you want to add headers and footers, you can just mention it here and you can add each and everything from the particular part. Now, like if you create question papers or if you see maths or physics question papers, you see the symbols, like you can see the symbol of pi, the symbol of omega and everything. So how would you add that? So you will add that from this part. Like you can see the symbol portion in the right hand, in the top right hand. So from there, you can use any kind of symbols or any kind of equation. Like here it is written A is equal to pi r square. It is a formula of something, right? So you can just directly mention it. Here some of the things are directly given to you that you can directly just insert it, right? So you can insert any symbol as well or any formula. Like you can see ohm is here, you can see pi here, you can see sigma here, you can see just an emoji as well. You can see emojis in the, you can see you can use many emojis as well in any particular part of your document if it is required. So this is the whole portion about the insert tab. The next thing is draw tab. But firstly, tell me about insert tab. Is it clear to everyone? Like what is an insert tab and how we can use it? Is it clear to everyone? Please write it down in the chat box if it is clear. Like how we can use insert tab to insert various type of things. Yes. Clear to Dr. Radhika, clear to Miss Shalini as well. Excellent. Yes, clear to Miss Tabu as well. Yes, excellent. Thank you for your responses. Yes. Excellent. So moving forward, that is the draw tab. Now, draw tab, a very simple one. We all know what is a draw tab. Like we all know what is draw. To draw something like drawing, painting. So like it is the draw tab enables the user to draw in the Word document. The Draw tab is available with Office 365, that is Microsoft Office 365, and if available, maybe need to be added to your ribbon. The Draw tab has options for choosing what you want to do, draw or erase, type of pen tool, and draw with trackpad. Now, when you go to this document again, yes. So if you want to draw something, how you can draw it? Like here, everything is given to you. Like it's a pen given here. Now you can draw anything. It could be anything. Like if you are good at drawing, you can draw something better. I'm very poor at drawing, so yes, I just try to avoid drawing. But yes, drawing is the you can use, like if you want to highlight something, you can just use this highlighter. You can create a straight line or anything, right? If it's a computer skill class, so we can see C and S. It's about computer skills, right? So you can draw anything. If you want a ruler, if you want a format background, if you want grids, you can create as well. Like if it would help you to draw better. So like if you want to draw, if you want to design something, like in designing portion, this thing is particularly used more. Like if you want to design something, you can use the grid portion. You can use any kind of grid like this, and then it will help you to draw a better things, right? Then into math, like you can write something, and like you can mention that in the particular formula as well. Like we can see 3x square. Like if I have written with my mouse like 3x square, but yeah, it is considering as z. So yes, we can just take it, and then we can just make it clear in the wherever we want to add it. So yes, you can draw things from here, and you can draw anything from this particular portion. This will help you to make a better document, right? So yes, is it clear about what is the draw tab and how you can use it? Is it clear to everyone? Please write it down in the chat box. Is it clear how to use the draw tab? Yeah, okay. Clear to Miss Dipti, clear to Miss Shalini as well. Excellent. Yes. Yes, these are the portions about the, and now we are moving to the next portion, that is the design tab. As we have seen this already, like what is the design tab and how we can use it. So yes, what is the design tab? Again, let's go. The design tab provides format, themes, backgrounds, color schemes, page borders, etc. for the document. If you do not see the design tab and you would like it in your ribbon, go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and check the box beside design. Now we'll move to the design part, like how we can use the design part here. So let's insert a page here, a blank page. Now we go to the design portion. Let's take a page where it is written something. Yes. So here we can design something. You can see various types of designs here, like the numerous number of designs which is given to you. If you can see, there are this number of designs present in the Microsoft. It is free for everyone to use, so you can use any kind of design in the particular document. It can change your fonts, like whatever fonts you use. It can change the different thing. It is just a preface to you, or like a preset. You can use any of the preset to make your document better. So once you have collected all the data, once you have collected all the things that you want to add in documents, once you have written everything in the particular document, then to make it better, you can use any of the design, and by using the design, it will make your particular document more beautiful, right? So that's how you will use the design tab. The next thing is layout tab. What is the meaning of the layout tab? So yes, the layout tab enables the user to control the layout, including the page orientation, margins, etc. The layout options are organized by commands that fall under page setup, margins, and arrangement. Now, what is the meaning of layout? Anyone? What is the meaning of layout? Anyone? What is the meaning of layout? Yes. Anyone having any idea? Like what is the meaning of layout? Page settings. Okay. Here in Word document, we can say that it's a page setting. Page setting. Excellent, Miss Asifa. Very correct. Anyone else? You have any idea like what is a layout? So yes, let me just make it clear. Layout is that it can be called as a skeleton of the particular page or skeleton of the particular document, like how you want to make the particular document look like, right? So if you want to add margins, like if you see in a page, like when you buy a copy, you can see there in some copies there are margins there in the left part of the page. So there you can see one line or two lines there. You can see two lines on the top of the particular page. So these are the layout of the particular document, layout of that particular thing. So when we move to a document here, now we can go to the layout. If we want to change the margin, we can change margin according to our size, like however we want. Like here the margins is written, you can see if it is normal, the size of page will be different. You write it in a different form. And when if the margin is different, you can change the margins, and like the border would be different. And now the page, the in how many part of the page, in what portion of the page you want to write. So this margin portion will make sure that you will write on the particular portion of the page only. It would not allow you to write anywhere else. Now the other is the orientation of the page, either it's vertical or either it is horizontal. So now this page is just we just put this page beside on the side. Okay, so yes, you can see either portrait or either on the different, that is landscape form. Next is the size of the page. Now we see there are different type of pages, like we can A1 pages, A2 size, A3 size, A4 size, A5 size. Now here we can see letter size of paper. Like when we write a letter, the size of paper is different, right? The format is different than the tabloid and the legal means the document or the judicial purpose, the for paper used for judicial purpose is it's called legal pages. And the statement is a particular blank page. Or you can check, like we use usually whatever page you buy from a stationery, it's an A4 size. So we usually use for printing is the A4 size page. So you can use that thing as well. So these are the various parts of the layout tab that you can use, and you can create a different document by using all of these things. It would make your document better. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone about the layout tab? Like what is layout tab and how we can use it, and for what purpose it is being used? Is it clear? If you have any doubt, you can directly ask, or if it is clear, please write down that it is clear. Yes, everyone, is it clear? Yes, clear to Miss Asifa. I believe it is clear to everyone else as well, right? So now, it's clear to Miss Soumya, clear to Miss Shalini as well. Excellent. So thank you for your responses. And now moving forward to the next thing. That is, yes, reference tab. Now again, this is the same thing about like in layout tab, we made the skeleton. This is just another part of it. Yes, clear to Miss Dhanush as well. Mr. Dhanush, excellent. So yes, the reference tab enables the user to enter document sources and citations, create a table of contents. Yes, anyone is saying anything? Yes, Dr. Vidya, are you saying anything? Dr. Vidya? Okay, yes. So the reference tab enables the user to enter document sources and citations, create a table of contents, add an index, etc. The reference tab is organized by commands that fall under these groupings: table of contents, footnotes, research, citations, captions, index, and table authorities. Now, whenever you create a research paper or like you are writing anything, you can use this reference particular portion. You can mention the a particular thing like it is written here. If you want to create this one, so no table of content is found here in this particular part, but yeah, if I choose this particular file and if I go to the reference, so if I select this particular thing, you can use any of it like contents. It will mention the index like in pages in books you can see there is a index portion, right? So this particular thing which is called references, and this table of content will help you to create a particular document or a particular index. You don't have to create a table and write it down by word. You can just write like you can just select the form of table and what you want, and it will make it automatically. You don't have to write a lot of things. You don't have to write the whole table and create it. You can just use the reference and then the table of contents, and then it will create a simple thing for you. You will not require to do the next thing. Now, if you want to add text, you can add from here. If you want to update the table, like if you have created the index, but you think there is some update and you want to edit it, so you can just click on the update table and then you can edit it in any time, right? So these are the various parts of the reference tab that you can use for the particular thing. And then that is mailings tab. So the mailings tab enables the user to merge mails, writings, and inserting different fields, etc. And it is the least used tab. The mailings tab is organized by commands that fall under these groupings: address, start mail merge, insert fields, preview, merging, and finish. Now again you can see the mailings tab. Like if we go here, I believe you all have seen how a mail looks like. Like you have received a mail from our side to get into this class or to get into the WhatsApp group. So I believe you all have seen how a mail looks like. Am I correct? You all know? Yes. So this portion is about that particular thing. Like if you want to create a particular mailing address, like it is a least used tab, we do not use this in particularly form. Like if you want to add address of it, you can add address. If you want to add the envelope portion, what you want it to be written in the envelope portion, you can create it from here. Yes, excellent. So yes, mailings portion is just a very simple thing. You can select the recipient, you can type list like whom you want to send the particular mail. So like if I want to add a mail here, so then I have to take it to the Gmail or any mail, then I have to mention each and everything from here to create the particular data, right? So that's how you will use this particular portion. Like you can make a list, create a list, you can edit a list or like anything. So you can use it in any form, but yeah, this is not a very used thing in this particular part of the, yeah, on this particular part of creating a document, right? So now yes, moving to the next tab, that is review tab. Now what is a review tab? As the name suggests, to review the things like whatever you have written in the particular document, whatever it is correct or not. Like the review tab enables user to proofread, add or remove comments, track changes, read aloud, check accessibility, etc. The review tab is organized by commands that fall under these groupings: proofreading, read aloud, accessibility, translate, comment, tracking, reviewing, accept, compare, protecting, and resume assistance. Now the work of review tab is that to create a proofread. What is a proofread? Like if you have created your resume by the help of Word document. So when you go through the review tab, it will check like if there should not be any grammatical errors, there should not be any spelling errors, and yes, you can check all the thing whatever you have written in the particular part. So yes, by going to the review section, you will just check all the things that you have created in the document and everything that you have put in the particular document. So this would be about the review tab, like what would be the particular function of it and what would be the purpose of it. Again, the View tab. What is the View tab? The View tab enables users to switch between different views of the document, such as seeing more than one page at a time, boundaries, grids, and rulers. The View tab now includes accessibility features such as focus, immersive reader, and zoom. The View tab is organized by commands that fall under this grouping, like document view, accessibility, show, hide, zoom window, and macros. Now, if we see the View tab, consider this document. Now, if you want to change it into a read mode, that means it would change into a book portion in a book type. If I just scroll it, it will turn like a book page. That's how you will change it in a book portion, right? Now, if you want to change it further, yes, so if you want to make change further, so you can just go to the view. You can change the page color if you want to just make change the color of you how you want to see it. Like if you want to like black and blue or anything, you can just change it from here to check and to reread whatever you have written is like correct and whatever you want is correct. Now, if you want to check things like whatever is written here, you can just search your particular thing. If you want to search, you can see I have written here you. Like in the document, how many times you word is used, it will show me like every page, it will be highlighted, like where the you word is written. You can find it here as well. You can say the column width, it could be the narrow or like whatever you want to use. It would be just for your better vision and nothing. So yes, this particular thing is about like how you want to see the document. Either you want to read it or like to zoom here or to just check it. Like either your document is correct is or not. Is it clear to everyone about what is a view tab and about review tab and mailings? Is it clear? Okay, yes. Clear to Miss Vidya. Everyone else, is it clear? Yes, clear to Miss Asifa as well. Yes, keep responding everyone so that I could know you all are here, right? Yes, clear to Miss Shalini as well, clear to Miss Varshita as well, and clear to Miss Soumya. Excellent. So yes, this was the first part of our today's class or our today's session. Like we have just discussed the various things that is present in the particular document file, right? Now we will see the shortcuts. Like we have seen numerous type of shortcuts present in the Word document, like how you can use it. Like we have several number of keys or shortcut that we can use. Now, first of all, let me know if anyone having any doubt about the Microsoft Word and the parts of Microsoft Word. Please let me know. If you have got any doubt till now on this class about the Microsoft Word and parts of it, you can just ask it. Okay, clear to me, Miss Divya as well. Excellent. Okay, so I am believing that it is clear to everyone. And yes, if any one of you feel that they have got any doubt in any portion, you can just interrupt me anytime. Okay, so what are the shortcut keys for Microsoft Word? So yeah, MS Word is the basic computer software, however, and there is a complete list of computer shortcut keys that makes typing on MS Word easier and more comforting. Okay, excellent, no doubt. Now, please tell me, everyone, like how many of you have worked in Microsoft Word? How many of you? Have you worked on Microsoft Word previously in any part of your life, either in your school time or maybe on your college time, in your undergraduation or anywhere? Have you worked on Microsoft Word? Yes, Ms. Ditya has worked. Anyone else who has worked in Microsoft Word or the Word document, who has created a Word document or anything? Anyone else? Yes, Ms. Ramya Sidhu has also worked. Ms. Vidya has also worked. Yes. Ms. Asifa? Okay, but yes, a little bit. No problem. So yes, now we have discussed like how to use a Microsoft Word document whenever you are creating. Yes, Ms. Varshita has also used. Okay, we have seen how we can use Microsoft Word and its various parts. Yes, Ms. Rakshita has also worked. Excellent. Now we will see how to create a document by using various type of shortcuts. So yes, like so many of you have worked in the Microsoft Word. Anyone of you know some shortcuts like how to copy things from the particular document and how to paste such things or how to print things from a Microsoft Word document? Anyone having any ideas? Or if they have worked previously, like how to copy a particular paragraph? Anyone? How we will copy a particular paragraph? Yes, Control C, yes, Control C, copy, Control P, V, paste, Control C, copy, Control C to copy. Excellent, excellent, everyone. Thank you for your responses. Yes, so now I believe we have done the boring part of this particular session, which is about the Microsoft Word. Now we will see the use of the shortcuts. Like every one of you has told me is correct. Like Control C to copy the things. Excellent, everyone. Fantastic. You all are very responsive. Thank you so much for your responses, right? Now, moving forward, we will see the things that you have told me. Now, I'm taking you to the document again, where we can see how we can change it. Yes, so here we are back with this particular document. Now, Control Z undo. Exactly. Exactly. These are the various type of keys that you have already known and that you have already used in any part of your life, right? So now here, as it is written here, Control B to bold highlighted section. Now, what is the meaning of bold highlighted section? Let us consider and let us select a paragraph, the first paragraph. Now, if I just do Control plus B, what happens? It just changes, it just get highlighted. So yes, this is the use of Control B, right? Control plus B. Okay, let's just make it simpler for us. Okay, I believe you can see both of the documents now. Can you see? Okay, excellent. It's clear. Yes. So yes, as it is written here, Control B, that means you can see the bold and highlighted part, right? So when you do select a particular portion of it, you just type Control plus V, and that makes your particular paragraph or particular portion highlighted. And if you want to make it normal again, you can just again press Control B. So if you want to make a particular thing bold, you can select it and just write Control plus B, just to type it. And then If you just want to remove it, again do the same thing. It will remove it. Now the next thing is that Control C. Now as you all have told me, Control C means to copy the particular part, right? So yes, if I just select this and if I just Control plus C, Control plus C. Now I have copied the thing. I cannot see that I have copied, but yes, if I have make Control plus C, that means I have done the copying portion. Now what to paste? What is the key to paste the particular thing that I have copied? Anyone? How I can paste it? Yes, Control V. Excellent. Very correct, ma'am. Very correct. Like I just do Control plus V, and I can see the same paragraph that I have copied is written here. That is Control plus V, right? So this is the particular thing, like how you can use Control C and Control V. Now help me with one more thing. If I press Control plus A, what will happen? If I press Control plus A, select all. Exactly, Miss Arshfa. Like if I have a document of, let us consider I have a document of 20 pages and I have to copy the whole document, copy all the text present in the particular document. How would I copy it? Should I just do like start from here and go like here? It would take a lot of time, right? It would take a lot of time to do it. Maybe 30 more seconds, 40 more seconds. But yes, you can just do it in a single second. You can just press Control plus A. And by just doing Control plus A, you can have copied and you have selected all the part of this particular thing. You have selected. Now, if you want to copy it, you can just copy by Control C. If you want to make all the things bold, you can use Control B. So it will make everything bold. If you want to make it normal, you can again do that. So you can, that's how you will use Control A to select each and everything that is present in the particular document. Okay. Now, the next thing is Control X. What is the meaning of Control X? Anyone? What is the meaning of Control X? As it is written here as well, you can see. What is Control X? Cut, yes, cut the text, cut the page. Exactly, not exactly cut the page, but yes, whatever thing you want to have, you have selected. Like let us consider I have selected this paragraph. I have just do Control X. That means I have cut the particular portion from here. Now it is also being copied. It is not only have cut it, it is also having copied. Now if I have to paste it again, I just V Control V. What is the meaning of V? To paste the thing. So remember, Control C means to copy, Control X means to cut, and Control V to paste. You can either paste something that you have copied, you can also paste something that you have cut from somewhere or somewhere portion of it. Right? So that's how you will use Control X, Control C, and Control V. These are the major things and very important part of it. Of like whenever you are working in a document or Word document, it will help you to make it. Now the next thing is Control N. Now what is the meaning of Control N? Now if I have to start a new document from here, what would I do? First, like I have to go to the file in the top left of the particular page. I will click on file, then here I have to select new, and then I will have a new document. But instead of that, instead of doing going to the file and creating a new page, I just can do one thing. I will just tap on the control and plus N. And by just clicking on control plus N, a new page or a new document is being made. I don't have to go to the file and select new and then select the proportion of it. Just clicking on the control N, and then I have a page, I have a document ready for me, a new document, a new blank document. So that's how I can create a new page. Yes, a new page or new document. Exactly, ma'am. You can create a new document by it, no, not a new page. If you want to add a new page, you have to do a different thing, right? So now the next thing is Control O. What is the use of Control O? Let's just see. If I press Control O, it opens the option folder, or like whatever documents I have in the particular format. Whenever I press on Control O, it will open the option box in front of me, right? So that is the use of Control O. It's not to open document, ma'am. Like, yes, Control O, you will see the documents you have in your particular portion, and then you can check and you can open any of it, right? So that is the use of Control O, to open the options, to open the various things, and there you can see the document that you can open, right? Not directly to open the document. Next thing is Control P. What is Control P? Anyone? What is Control P? Yes, print the document. Yes, print. Open prints option. Excellent. Very correct. Yes, so if I have to print my document, I don't have to go to the home page again and then here to search the print option and then go somewhere to print like this. Like if I have to print anything, I have to go to the file and then here I have to find the print portion and then click on the print and then it will get printed. But instead of doing a lot of effort, instead of doing all these things, I just have to press Control P. If I do Control P, I just have to add a particular software, a particular printing device. I will add that printing device and just I can print it in a very simple form. I do not require to do a lot of things to print it. Just do Control P. So that's how you will do, or you will print the particular portion. The next is Control F. Now, what is the meaning of Control F? Anyone? What is the use of Control F? Find the text exactly, Miss Dipti. Yes, very correct. Excellent. So yes, like as I have shown you already, the Control F, like to find the words. Like if I press Control F here, here I have written you. So I have written you. You can see the number of you present in the particular document. You can see various how many of it is used here, right? So you can see how many times u is used here. It is being used 80 times. You can see 80 results. So if you want to find anything in a particular document, in a particular Word document, so you can just press Control F and just press the thing or write the thing whatever you want to see, and by clicking on it you can just see it and you can just write it down and find it whatever you want to find. The next is Control I. What is the meaning of Control I? Anyone? Italian font style. Exactly, Miss Asifa. Yes, Italian font. Yes, everyone else. So yes, like let us consider. I just select a paragraph again. Now it is written in a normal format. If I press Control plus I, can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? It's in font family. Yes, font family. I believe you can see the difference, like what is a normal font and what is the italic font. So yes, when you see in home portion, it is written B, I and you. So now we use this particular thing. I select the particular thing. Now if I want to make it normal again, I click on I, it will get normal. I will click on I again, it will get in italic form. And now what is the use of you? You is just underline the things. You is just to underline the things whatever is written. Now if I want to remove the underline, and I don't have to go to the home, click on the home button and then click on the underline to do it. There is a shortcut for it as well. I will just click on Control U. So by clicking on Control U, you can either just underline it or you can just remove the underline from the particular portion. So yes, by pressing Control U, you can underline the thing or you can remove the underline. So this is the shortcut to underline the particular side heading of this particular part. Is it clear to everyone? Use of Control U as well and Control I. Is it clear? Yes, clear to Miss Dipti. Yes, I believe it is clear to everyone. Yes, and if you have any doubt, if you find any difficulty to understand it, I am trying to make it more practical by doing all the things here. If you find any difficulty to understand, please let me know. Right? I am here to help you, and yes, we will learn together. Now the next thing is Control K. Now Control K, now whenever we used to create a document, we do not use it in many times. But yes, but when we do work professionally, we use these things. Like Control K means to create a hyperlink, right? To create a hyperlink or to create a insert a link. If I press Control K, it will show me the documents I have. Now, if I add anything from here, and just it will create a hyperlink here. By clicking on the hyperlink, it will open the same folder that is required to be opened. I don't have to go and find that particular thing in my laptop or in my particular desktop. It will create a hyperlink, and then by clicking on that hyperlink, you will be able to see the things by clicking on the link. You don't have to go to the desktop or the particular drive to find the particular thing. By just clicking on that link, it will be visible to you. Clear to everyone? Yes, is it clear to everyone? Okay, excellent. Thank you for your responses. Yes, so this is the first part of the particular portion of like copying things and pasting things. Now moving to the next part, that is Control U. As I have told you, what is the use of Control U? Yes, what is the use of Control U? Everyone, I believe you all can tell me now. What is the use of Control U? Yes, to underline. Exactly. Very correct. Yes. So yes, we use Control U to underline. And the next is Control V. What is Control V? We have already discussed what is the use of Control V.
Paste.
Yes, exactly. Yes, you can turn on your mic as well and just say it. It would be better. It would be less effort for you as well. It's a shortcut for you so that you can just turn on your mic, tap on it, and just say it instead of writing. So
Paste.
yes, paste is exactly. Yes, Control V is pasting. The next is Control G or Control H. Now, if I do Control G, I have to enter the page number. Like let us consider I am entering the page number 1. Go. Now I have to go to the particular section. I can just say write U here. So it will show me whatever thing it is written here. And then the Control H. Control H means to replace any word. Like if I want to replace you with him. Yes, replace all. Now all the things have been replaced. Like you can see, the title of it was you. Now it is him. Now him, you can see him everywhere instead of you. I just make it normal again to make this document look better. Yeah. So you can just do, yes, undo for control Z, yes. So yes, like again, let me do it again. Control H I have removed, replaced you with him, and then I replaced. Now it is showing me that it has made this number of changes. Now I have changed him to you now, but it was by mistake. I want to do it again. So should I do the select, or should I do the go to the replace again and like write otherwise, like find what you and then him there. Instead of that, I can just type Control Z. By Control Z, the meaning of Control Z is that undo it. Like whatever you have done, you are undoing it. So just by clicking on it, it will be very simple for you to do it. So yes, Control Z is also like redo Control Y. Exactly, redo Control Y. Like if I do Control Y, it will make it him again. If I do Control Z, it will make it you again. So yes, you all are very knowledgeable about this particular thing. You all know everything about it, right? We are just practicing it so that whenever in future, in our professional life, whenever we need to create a professional document, it will help us to create a better one, and with a very specific time. It will not take more time to us because we have know how to create a particular document. Now the next thing is Control J. What is the meaning of Control J? Anyone? What is the meaning of Control J? Yes, anyone? The use of Control J? Like you can see the difference. I am typing Control J. You can see the change in the paragraph. The change is visible in the second paragraph. Please let me know. Yes, exactly. Yes, to justify, as the name suggests, like it is written here, justify paragraph alignment. What is the alignment? Like how it is written. So, like if I press Control J, it will just make in this format. And if I do it again, or maybe Control Z, it will make it normal again. Now, when you have to change the layout of this particular paragraph, what you have to do, you have to go to the layout. We have to go to the home, and from home you have to change it like this, like this, like this, or this. But by just clicking on Control J, you can just do it like this. You don't have to create it again and again and again. You just do it from here. And if I do Control R, what is Control R? Control R means I am writing everything towards the right of the right part. I am making a straight line towards the right end of the page. So if I do Control R, it will be aligned to the right portion of the particular page, or the right margin of the particular page. Now again, let's make it normal. Now it is normal. Now if you write Control L, it will be connected to the left margin. What is Control L? Align to the left. What is Control L? Align to the left. Right? So if I do Control R, everything will be aligned to the right margin. And if I do Control L, everything will be aligned to the left margin. And if I do Control J, everything will be justified. There would be no right margin, and like everything would not be settled to the right margin or left margin. It will create a particular box type instrument, and it will be written in a box format, right? So that's how you will use Control J, Control L. Yes, what is Control Q? Control Q is this. What does this thing? It is used to align selected paragraph to the, okay, it's a misprint in the maybe in the particular presentation, right? So like Control J is to change the format of it. Like you have removed the particular portion, like it is blue here. I have selected the design like this. If I do the Control Yes, control Q is not to left align. To do the left alignment, you have to make control L, right? But yes, here this is a misprint here. Like it is written two times here. So if you do control Q, you can just do the remove the portion of the particular part. Like if it is here, you can see everything is written in the blue portion, but here it is just removed. So you can just do that by control Q, right? Now what is control E? What is control E? Anyone? Yes, to aligning to the center. Exactly. Very correct. To
Anjali, bye.
yes, anyone is saying anything? Anyone is saying anything? Okay, no problem. Yes. So yes, aligning to the center, that means you have to press Control E. So you can just remove it by just uh, undo. You can undo it by Control Z. So you do not have to do a lot of things to do it. Just a little of it. Now the next thing is Control E. We have done the Control R. This shortcut is used to align selected text or lines to the right. Like we have done Control R, we have used it. Like we have done Control R, we have seen everything aligned to the right portion. Right? Yes, that's how you will create a particular document and by how you can align it. Yes, align the lines. This is about the alignment. Now, what is Control M? What is Control M? Yes, anyone knows what is the use of Control M? No, not a N M. Control M. The M money money M, not N. M for money. That M. No problem, no problem. You should not be sorry for that. Yes. So what is the use of M? Control M. So yes. Now I have shown you an example here. Like if you do middle pages to middle page, yeah, exactly. Not exactly middling, but yes, you are writing, you are shorting the paragraph. You are making an indent paragraph. Like you can see the difference now. Like let's make it again. Like the paragraph is written like this. If I do Control M, it will get shorted, then again shorted, then again. How many times I press the M, it will get shorted and it will create a single line. Like you have seen in your books, some things are printed in such a way, in this way, right? You have seen in books like it is written in this format. Like some things are written here, then you can paste an image here. So that's how you will use the Control M. Clear to you? Like how to use Control M and where to use? Like where you have to create it in such a way. Clear to everyone? How to use Control M? Like whenever you want to make a vertical paragraph, like it is a horizontally spread, you have to create a vertical paragraph. You have to make it spread it vertically. So that's why here you will use this particular thing, Control M. You can just change it, and if you want to add an image in the blank portion, you can add an image to make your document look better and more uh, useful, right? Now moving to the next one, that is Control T. What is Control T? Like if I press it here, you can see the difference. Like again, let us select this particular paragraph. Like it is written here. Control T is hanging indent. Like if I have selected it, or like yeah, if I do Control T, it will just create like a hanging indent. Like one line is written in that format. The other lines will be moved forward. only one line will be in such a way. Like if I select this particular portion, or if I do Control T, like this portion will move in this way, and like one line is written here, other things will be selected, or you can add image in this particular portion, or you can do it as like this in any particular line. So you can add it or just make it whenever it is required. So yes, it is like whenever you are creating a document or like project, you can use it. It is not regularly used for your regular purpose, but yes, when you are working professionally, if you have to create a document for your particular organization, there you can use such things to make your document look better. It will save spaces as well. Yes, Control N is a different thing. Control N will create a new document. Yes, so that would be a different thing. Or open a new browser tab, that would be in a browser. Like here we are using in Microsoft Word. If you go to the browser, then the use of it would be different. Some of the things would be same, but some of the things would be different. But whenever we are working in a Microsoft Word, so the things are different, and like it would not be applicable to everywhere. It would be for the Word document only. But yes, many of the things will be applicable in the other parts as well. Next is Control D. Now, what is Control D? What is Control D? Like it is written here. What is Control D? Font options exactly as it is written here. Control D. You can see the numerous number of fonts from here. You can check font. You can change font directly. Right, like you can do already by doing the home section and then clicking on here and select the fonts. But instead of that, if you want to change the font, just press Ctrl D, and that will help you to find different fonts to create for yourself. And it will help you to make a better document by using different types of fonts. Right? But yes, it must look formal whenever you are creating a formal document. So yeah, the use of Ctrl D is to change the font size, the type of font. Now, if you want to change the font, then if you can just take Control plus Shift plus F. Again, it is the same thing. You can change the size of it. You can change either you want it in the italic font or the bold font, or either bold plus italic. And you can change any font from here. Either if it is heading, you can change it in the heading or the body part, or like in any part. You can use Control plus Shift plus F to change the font, to change the size of font, to change the here to change the size, to change the portion of the particular paragraph. You can use it. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Please write it down in the chat box if it is clear, or if you have any doubt, please tell me. Yes, is it clear to everyone? That's okay, excellent. Yes, so yes, just move forward to the next one, that is Control plus Shift plus the sign you can see here. Like that's like a open box, right? So yes, this is just to increase the font size. If you want to increase the font size, you can use the closing part of the bracket. Like if you just click it, you can increase the font size. Or if you can just Control plus opposite of it, like the opening of the paragraph, then you can just change the font size. You can increase or decrease the size of font by just pressing Control plus opening of the font, opening of the paragraph, or the closing of the paragraph. By just clicking on it, you can create a difference on creating the particular paragraph or the size of the font. Right, I believe this is clear as well. Now the next thing is Control plus Shift plus the asterisk mark. What is the asterisk mark? That is the star mark that you can see here in this particular page. Yes, the star mark you can see. So that is the use where it is used to view or hide non-printing characters. Now whenever we write, this is how we see. But uh, in a printing form, it is a different thing. Like many other characters are present here also that we cannot see. So to see that, we can just press Control plus Shift plus asterisk. Control plus Shift plus asterisk. Okay. Control plus Shift. Yeah. Now I believe it is visible to you. The different signs. Can you see it? Can you see the different signs that was not present before, but now you can see it? Yes, it is visible, I believe. Yes, visible to Miss Dipti as well. Yeah. So that's how you can see the various marks or that would not be printed, but that you can see that various marks that is present. Now again, control plus left arrow, like you can see control plus left arrow. Firstly, I have to select a particular portion. Yes. So here you can use it to move one word to the left or to move one word to the right. Like if I select this word, yes, I can use it in any form. Yes, so control plus left arrow plus control plus right arrow. That's how you will use it to make the word or to like move forward. Like I don't have to click it again and again. You just click on control plus the forward arrow. You'll just skip the particular word. You don't have to move again and again. You have to, it will make you skip the words like where you want to go, right? So you can use it. Next is control plus up arrow to skip the, yeah, control plus up or down arrow is just to skip the paragraph. If you want to move in the next paragraph, you can just control plus up arrow to move in the upper paragraph, or to move in the below paragraph, you can just do control plus bottom paragraph or the bottom arrow. This will help you to make a better vision. Now the next, like, yes, control plus up arrow we have done, control plus down arrow we have done. Now control plus delete to delete the word to the right of the cursor. Now if I have put my cursor here in the world, if I do control plus delete, the word will be deleted. To delete the things, like if you want to delete the thing, you have to go to the world, and then you have to move to the cursor to the last, and you will click backspace or delete for the 5 times. Instead of that, you can just do control plus delete. It will remove the right side of the word, right? So to delete the word, it would be very easy for you to delete in that way. Okay, clear to everyone? Like by control plus delete, you can clear the word which is on the right side. But if you want to clear the word on the left side, you can just do control plus backspace. So this is the list. I will send it to you in your WhatsApp group as well. That there you can check it. But yes, we are here. We are just demonstrating all the thing that is present here. So yes, is it clear to everyone? Control plus backspace and control plus delete. Yes, is it clear to everyone? Okay, yes, excellent. So yes, the next is control plus end. It is used to move the cursor to the end of the document. Now, if I am in the front page, I have to move to the last page of the particular document. I will just do control plus end. Where is the end button in the particular desktop or particular keyboard? Usually, you can find the end button or the delete button in the top right corner of the desktop. Usually, right? But in laptops, maybe the laptops are made very compact, right? So maybe these buttons or these things may be connected to other buttons as well, like maybe with an 8, 9 or anything. So you can just check it and use it. So like, yes, if I have to do control plus end, I will go to the end of the particular document, right? So control end will take me to the end of the paragraph or particular document. And if I do control plus home, the control plus home button, then it will take me to the top of the particular paragraph. So yes, by control home, I can go to the top of the particular paragraph, right? Yeah. Control plus end towards the end and control plus home to the top. So you can find this button on the top right corner. Maybe most probably it would be on the top right corner of the keyboard, right? And then the next is control plus space to reset highlighted text to the default font. Control plus space. Here we do not have any highlighted font. If we had highlighted, we can use it like, yeah, like this. We have just made it in a normal font. I have selected this, we have highlighted this. If I do control plus space, this will change the font size of it. Then if I do again control Z, it will come back to the normal. That's how you will use it. The next is in control 1, or like by the single space line. Like if I do control 1, the space line will be changed. If I do control 2, the space line will be changed. If I do control 5, the space line would be changed, right? So to change the spacing between the lines, you can use control 1, control 2 and control 5. So these are also the very basic things. Now you have to change the text to the headings. Like if I select this, if I select you, if I want to change into the heading, so like control plus alt plus 1. So yes, it will be changed in the heading format. Like you can see the difference. Like, can you see the difference? How it you was written before and how it is written right now. Can you see it? Is it visible to everyone? The difference? Yes, so these are the same thing, control alt 1, control 2 and control 3. Like you can change the same things into the headings only, like control alt 2 and control alt 3. It will just change the headings. Like control 1 is the alt plus 1 would be the main heading, and control alt plus 2 would be the second side heading, and then the control plus alt plus 3 then the next side heading. So that's how you can just select the thing and make it a heading. And then the shift plus F3 to change the case of the selected text. Like you can change the case of it, like just if you want to do it, like you just shift plus F3. Yeah, like there are two things, uppercase and lowercase. So what is the meaning of uppercase? To make all the things present in the capital form. Or like if you do shift, uh, if you want to make it normal, just do it control Z. It will just make it very simple. Now shift plus insert, again the pasting option like control V that we have discussed. What is F4 to repeat the last action performed? What is F4 to control the last thing that has happened? Like we can just go to it and we can just check it again. Like F7 is spell checking. So like if we do, it is F7. Yeah, so you can check either, you can see the synonyms as well, right? You can see the synonyms of the particular word and the different things. So that's how you can use F7, and shift plus F7 you can use in the form of dictionary. When you press the F7, there would be a dictionary open in front of you. So then you will use the dictionary in the particular format. And now then F12 to save the document. If you press the F12, the document will be saved in your particular device. And then yes, to save, say if you do document 12, F12, it will ask to the name of the document, like where you want to save. If you want to save it directly, you can just say F12, shift plus F12 or control S. Like insert the current date. If you want to add the date as well, right? This is a new thing that we most of us don't know. Like if you do alt plus shift plus D, you can add the date of the particular day. You do not have to write it, you just do it alt plus shift plus D. And if you also want to add time, you just have to do alt plus shift plus T. Like you can see the time written here. So it will be very easy for you to mention the date and time in this particular format. And then if I want to close the document, What I have to do? Control W. Control W is the shortcut to close a particular document, right? So Control W, if I do, the document will be closed. If I have to change save, it will ask it or not. Like I said, you then text as subscript or like yeah. Now if we want to do the subscript or anything, we can just select a text and then control plus equal to make it smaller, right? And if I do control plus shift plus equal to the same thing, it will happen like this and this to make it better. Yes, so this was all about the shortcuts that we have discussed and all the things that we have known. Yes, yes, so I believe the shortcut is clear and how and where we use this particular shortcuts. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, is it clear to everyone how to use the shortcuts and like we have seen the demonstration as well, like where we have used the different type of shortcuts. Yes, clear to Miss Asifa, clear to Miss Shalini, clear to Miss Dipti as well. Excellent, man. Everyone else, is it clear to everyone? Yes, clear to Miss Varshita as well. Excellent, yes, fantastic. You all are very responsive. Yes, clear to Miss Vidya as well. Yes. So, yes, I have stopped the screen sharing. Yes, clear to Miss Megha, clear to Miss Deepika. Excellent, fantastic, everyone. Thank you so much for your responses. Clear to Miss Harshita as well. Fantastic. So yes, this was all about the MS Word, like how you can use Microsoft Word, how you can create a document by using Microsoft Word, by using various types of fonts, various types of things like you can add images, you can add 3D animations as well whenever you are creating a particular document there, right? And then we have seen how to use shortcuts, like if you want to move to the top of it, if you want to move to the end of it by tapping on control home plus control plus end. So you can use like control C, control V, or like control U, control I. These are the various shortcuts that we have discussed, and yes, I will send it to you in your WhatsApp group as well, the particular document. So whenever you need to create a document, you can use these particular things for your use and it will help you definitely. Yes, so yes, it is clear to everyone. If anyone having any doubts, you can ask, like any doubt about the Microsoft Word or anything, like if it is possible for you to go back and check on your desktop or like anywhere you can see, it will help you to practice it better. If you remember the keys, it will help you whenever you create a document using the Microsoft Word document. So yes, I believe it is clear to everyone. Yes, if it is clear, so yeah, this was about the today's session about the Microsoft Word. So yes, if you get any doubt, not if not now, if in the future, if you are working on it, you can ask it anytime, right? If you like get any doubt in the evening time, you can just ask it tomorrow, right? So that we can discuss it and we can discuss for each and everyone present here. So yes, this was about today's class. And please tell me if how you found this class. Either it is like how you can give me the feedback. How was this class for you? Excellent. Thank you, Ms. Asifam. If you feel like I have to improve in any portion to make you understand better, so please tell me. I can try because the important thing is that like whatever I want to convey should be understood by you all. If you feel something that I can do to make you understand it effectively, so please tell me. Yes, knowledge been nice, good, very effective, nice, okay. So yes, thank you so much for all your responses. Yes, and I believe If you find any difficulty, you can ask for the help anytime. And yes, by tomorrow, you can all turn on your mics as well to give the responses. It will be helpful for me as well, right? Like if you have to write it again and again and again, it would be a good amount of work for you as well. Yeah, instead of just writing in the chat box, you can just turn on your mic and answer all other things, right? So today we discussed about Microsoft Word. Tomorrow's topic will be related to the computer only, and we'll be discussing the different things about the computer skills, right? So thank you so much for joining. This was a wonderful class. You all were very responsive and you all have participated very well. So thank you so much for being a very lovely group of students. Thank you so much. And yes, everyone is in the WhatsApp group, right? Yes, everyone is in the WhatsApp group. Anyone here who is not in the WhatsApp group? Please tell me so that I can add you in that particular WhatsApp group. There, it will be very easy to give you the message about the particular class. And I will share the document there in the WhatsApp group. And because we have to send mails to many people, so maybe some mails get